You've probably heard of borderline personality disorder. We're talking about that today with Eric from New Roads. What is borderline personality disorder, Eric?
So borderline personality disorder is a set of symptoms, but the core feature of it is a fear of abandonment, a real or imagined abandonment. But what we see happen is that they often are they're at high risk for suicide attempts, cutting. Their emotions are all over the place. They have unstable relationships. They're impulsive in certain areas. They tend, about 80% of them tend to develop an addiction to kind of mask the feelings. When you get to know these people, I think the best description I ever heard was from a client that I once worked with, and she just said, "I just have this rotten core." And so who would want to feel that way? And drugs and alcohol is a great way to mask that.
Do you know if you have this kind of personality disorder?
I think it depends. I mean, I think most people can realize that they're miserable. Their lives are miserable as they're currently being lived, and I think most of the time they can see that. It's whether or not they're motivated to take the next step and do something about it. They often don't even know why they're doing what they do. They just know that they hate it.
If it's someone in your life, you could just cut them off. If it's a family member or someone that you care about, they need treatment. What is treatment like for BDT?
So the best treatment right now is dialectical behavioral therapy, and that comes out of the University of Washington. It was developed by a person who actually did have BPD herself. And there's 5 components to it, but I'll highlight a couple of them. Some of them are skills, so they learn mindfulness skills, skills to manage their emotions, skills to get through the moment, and skills to be more interpersonally effective, distraction skills. The other thing is that it requires a very, very highly and specialized trained therapist who really knows how to do validation.
This is who you need to see. Good4Utah.com/extra for more information. Thank you, Eric.
Sure, thank you.